Want to know how to update or convert this program into a CLI tool? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Cursor AI application. So we have also created similar videos regarding Cursor AI on how to use it properly. So in this video, I'm going to do the same. So right here you can see my code with me, and then just simply select Ctrl+A, or just select the entire code and then select quick edit right here. And now once I've selected quick edit, here should be under edit selection, and you can just simply type in this code right here. Now once you have typed in this very specific prompt, just simply select enter and it should change the code right here. Now just simply select keep and you should be good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.